Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best 5090 pre-built PCs. If you're the type to go all-out beast mode on your PC and you simply cannot settle for anything less, then the 5090 is the GPU for you. Sadly, it's all out of stock, making it virtually impossible to buy. Luckily, 5090 pre-built PCs are here to save the day, and that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth 5090 pre-built PC on our list is the STORMCRAFT Gaming PC, priced at $5,099.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. First off, let's talk about that AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. This bad boy is powered with 3D V-Cache technology, giving you insane multitasking performance for all your games, streaming, or even video editing. Then, of course, we've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This is top-tier GPU tech right here. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or doing some serious creative work, this GPU ensures everything looks buttery smooth with no lag, plus it's VR ready. So if you're into that next-level immersion, this unit features 32 GB DDR5, 6000 MHz RAM. Yep, it's RGB too. Plus the 2 TB NVMe SSD Gen 4.0, which provides ultra-fast load times. You'll have ample space for all your games, files, and projects without worrying about running out of room. Let's not forget the 360mm AIO liquid cooling system and a total of 10 ARGB fans. You're going to have airflow that not only keeps things chill, but also looks awesome while doing it. Speaking of looks, let's talk about the design. The premium case with curved glass is absolutely gorgeous. It's sleek, modern, and it shows off that RGB lighting in style. Now, one limitation to consider is size. With all those 10 ARGB fans, this rig can get a little bulky. Our team recommends this for those who want the best budget 5090 pre-built. The fourth 5090 pre-built PC on our list is the Skytech Legacy, priced at $5,499.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This rig is rocking the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X3D processor, clocking in at 4.4 GHz and can reach up to 5.5 GHz with turbo boost. This is a top-of-the-line processor that's going to stay relevant for years. Aiming at 4K, heavy rendering, or running demanding software, this setup can handle it all. Pair that with the NVIDIA RTX 5090 with 32 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, and you've got a graphics powerhouse. Now let's talk about storage and memory. This system comes with a massive 4 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD. You'll be able to store a ton of games, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space. And with 64 GB of DDR5, 6000 MHz RGB RAM, multitasking becomes effortless. And let's be real, the RGB on this thing looks sick. If you're into the whole aesthetic of a flashy gaming rig, this has got you covered. The heat spreader on the RAM ensures optimal cooling, while the lights add to that gaming vibe you're going for. I like that it comes with Wi-Fi, so no need to mess around with cables if you don't want to. One thing to watch out for is power consumption and heat output. The RTX 50 M90 and Ryzen 9 9900 X3D combo means it draws a lot of power and can run hot under full load. Our team recommends this for those who need tons of fast storage for saving a large amount of games of files. The third 5090 pre-built PC on our list is the Cooler Master, priced at $5,499.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. under the hood, this thing's running Intel's Ultra 9285K processor. That's Intel's most powerful CPU in their Ultra series lineup. Then you've got the GeForce RTX 5090. We're talking 32 gigabytes of GDDR7, raw AI-powered performance, and DLSS 4.0. This card can brute force 4K gaming, no problem. Memory-wise, there's 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6,000 megahertz, which is more than enough for most gamers, streamers, and creative pros. For storage, you've got a 2 terabyte Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Load times are almost non-existent. In terms of cooling, you get a 360 millimeter AIO liquid cooler and 10 ARGB fans installed. One standout feature of this rig is its sleek vertical RGB strips that run from top to bottom, giving it a clean, modern look that really sets it apart from others. And drawback? The 32 gigabyte RAM might fall short for heavy multitaskers or pro-level creative work. Our team recommends this for gamers and creators who prefer an Intel CPU in their build. The second 5090 pre-built PC on our list is the GIGABYTE AORUS, priced at $5,799.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First up, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor. This chip is an absolute powerhouse for gaming and productivity. Plus, with the 3D V cache, it's optimized for higher gaming performance, especially in CPU-intensive titles. As for the GPU, it sports the AORUS RTX 5090. For memory, it's packing a massive 64 gigabyte DDR5, so you're getting blazing fast speeds with tons of bandwidth. If you're doing memory-heavy tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, this system won't slow you down. The 2 terabyte Gen 5 NVMe SSD is a major upgrade too. Not only is it ultra fast for game load times and file transfers, but the Gen 5 tech pushes transfer speeds even further than Gen 4, ensuring your system stays snappy. Now, cooling is where this rig truly shines. The 360mm Water Force AIO liquid cooler keeps the CPU running cool under heavy load. Add in the WindForce cooling system with Hawk fans, and you've got optimized airflow that keeps everything from the GPU to the CPU running cool while staying nice and quiet. Now, if I had to point out a limitation, it's the potential upgradability of the system. The case is pretty compact for the specs inside, so if you're planning to add extra drives or have more expansion needs, it could get a little cramped. But honestly, unless you're going for extreme upgrades, it's more than enough for most users. Our team recommends this for content creators who work with heavy video editing or 3D rendering. The massive storage can handle huge files and software with ease. The best 5090 pre-built PC on our list is the CLX set, priced at $5,899.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X3D 12-core processor, this desktop gives you incredible speed with a base clock of 4.4 gigahertz and a boost of 5.5 gigahertz, making it perfect for both high-end gaming and multitasking. Couple that with the 32 gigabyte DDR5 RAM, and you've got a setup that can handle anything from gaming to video editing or streaming, all without slowdowns. It also comes with the GeForce RTX 5090 32 gigabyte GDDR7 GPU, which, as we all know by this point, is an absolute monster. For storage, you get a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, which means lightning fast load times and plenty of room for all your games, apps, and media. And don't worry about connectivity. This PC has Wi-Fi and gigabit LAN, so you'll stay connected whether you're gaming or streaming. The case is a clean mid-tower design with a glass side panel that showcases the internal components and RGB lighting, which you can customize to match your setup. The only thing to consider is that with all that power, it does come with a slightly higher power consumption, but if you can afford this, then we're pretty sure that a slightly higher electricity bill wouldn't faze you. Our team recommends this for gamers who want to game at 8K thanks to the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 9900X3D CPU and the GeForce RTX 5090 GPU. And there you have it, folks, the best 5090 pre-built PCs. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.